Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Grand Cherokee vs G Wagon full comparison. Please follow along as I explain engine choices, ride quality, interior space, and typical ownership costs in simple terms so you can weigh priorities. I'll point out where one model clearly excels, note key trade-offs, and give realistic context for towing, fuel use, and off-road ability. Stay with me for straightforward, friendly guidance. Let's dig into performance and capability with clear comparisons of engines, drivetrains, and handling traits so you can judge what matters most for your needs. I'll describe acceleration, towing limits, and how suspension choices affect comfort versus ruggedness. We'll cover fuel economy in real terms and note typical maintenance considerations that change ownership cost over time. By the end, you'll know which SUV aligns with your intended use. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a handy companion for road trips and busy weeks. Check the description for the link and other deals. They save time, reduce spills, and pair well with travel gear you might already use for vehicle adventures. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll compare interiors and ownership realities so you can picture life with each SUV. I'll discuss materials, seating comfort, cargo measurements, and available tech that shape daily experience. We'll also cover depreciation trends and typical service needs that meaningfully affect long-term cost. This section is practical and warm, aimed at helping you imagine ownership and decide which trade-offs suit your budget and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.